Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of MarkIt. It's a portable software that you can use to bulk watermarking your images. So to download it, you need to go to github.com/sahilrajput Okay, so here we go. You'll go to MarkIt repository and navigate to releases section. And here you can go to assets section and download it, and you just need to save it and you will get a zip file like that. Okay, then after that you just need to extract it. As I said, it's a portable file, so you don't need to like install it, so you just need to extract it. You'll get three files. You'll have to double click on this application MarkIt, and for the first time window will ask you if you trust it or not, so don't worry, you can trust it. Click on run anyway, and the next time it won't take that much time. Okay, you just double click on it and it will start. Click on the start button and you will get these options. You must select all of these options with the stars, so otherwise you'll get error if you don't select either of these. First of all, you'll have to select a folder in which you have your images, those pictures that you want to watermark. So I'll select this mix pic folder because I have all kind of pictures in it, like PNG, JPGs, BMPs, WebPs. You'll just select it and then you'll have to select a folder with watermark. You can navigate where your logo is or watermark is, and then you can select that logo that you want to put on those pictures, and then you can select a folder where you want to save your images. I want to save them to this final folder. I'll create a new folder. Just make sure to create a separate folder, and it's better that it's empty, otherwise it's not a problem, but it should not be the same folder that has your original pictures, because then your original pictures can be deleted. So make sure that you select a new folder and then you'll just select it, and yeah, these settings are by default. You can change them if you want or not, if you like them. Like I did a batch test here and I liked it, so I can also change them. I can put that in center and I can test it if it's looking good. No, it's not looking good. I'll go to the top right section. Yeah, not that good. So but still I want it there, and I'll also set its transparency. I'll check it how it's looking, and I can also adjust the size from here. But let's say I'll let it be, and then for bulk processing you just click start processing and a folder will open in which all of the files in that folder are going to be processed by the software and saved in this folder. You can also check them. So each and every picture here, the logo will be resized according to its ratio, so you don't have to be worried about sizing. So after the software will process all of the pictures, it will send you a congratulation message, and then you know that it's completed. So it doesn't matter if a picture is square, vertical or portrait sized, it doesn't matter, the logo will auto adjust. So right now it's 20% of the main picture's aspect ratio. Let's try it again, and this time I'll process more photos just to show you. I have about 100 pictures in there, and I'll select a logo I like this logo. And then for the folder, for saving new pictures, I'll create another new folder and I'll save the final results in them. And when you try batch test, it will pick first picture and then put the logo on it and show you the result. I place it in the top right section. So I think it's good, and I'll click on start processing. Again, it will open the folder for you. You can see you'll start getting the saves. Okay, so you see, you got the congratulatory message. So all pictures are processed. You can check them. If you don't like any of this, then you can just redo it with the settings. The pictures that you don't like, you can select those pictures in a folder, and then you can add logo in those pictures. This picture will look better if the logo is on left side, so you can do that separately. So this is how you can process bulk images. Thanks for watching, and if you want customized features more than this one is a very initial release, so whenever I'll have time in future here and there, I'll also keep updating it, and I'll also keep adding new features. But if you want a customized version for yourself and you want some customized features in it, you can contact me and I'll get that done for you.